All right, to really properly talk about the sacrum and the coccyx, we need to remember that it's in the context of the entire coxal bone. So we'll talk about the coxal bone here, basically what we think of as the hip bones or the pelvis are actually part of the appendicular skeleton, okay? So I've put this full model. We have some half models that are essentially have this piece missing or this piece missing, but still have the sacrum and the coccyx and maybe a couple of lumbar vertebrae connected to at least a portion of the coxal bone. All right, so to talk about the features of the sacrum and the coccyx, so sacrum is this entire bone here, and the coccyx is the tailbone right there, okay? We're looking from an anterior view, like right here. And we'll talk in the class a little bit about how to tell the difference between male and female pelvises. That's one of the best ways to tell male or female on a skeleton. But right now we're going to focus on some of the features of the sacrum, okay? So first off, we have the ala or ala of the sacrum. And so that's going to be basically the top point. We're looking at the anterior view. And the ala is going to be basically this area right here or right here. And you can see it's going to basically connect in with the coxal bone or with the pelvic bone. So right here is the ala on either side, alae, plural. And then we have the sacral canal. So to see this, we really need to look from a posterior view, okay? And as we look in, you can kind of see there's like some holes right in here. So if you can imagine, the vertebral, the spinal cord is basically coming through here through the vertebral foramina of these lumbar vertebrae. So it's coming straight down through here, like right where my finger is. And if you look, there's two kind of like little teeny tiny holes. And so you can see them, they're deep right in here, right in here. And so those are the sacral canals where nerves can go through. Then we have the body, okay? So the body of the sacrum is right here, this middle section. Let me use my pen here. Right here, the body. And you can see these little lines here, here, here. We call those the transverse lines that separate the different sections of the body. So if you remember, these are actually fused vertebrae. So we consider it one bone, but they are technically fused vertebrae. And then we have the sacral foramina, and these are these large holes, sacral foramina.